Enter the search engine. I write cash. Enter the first result by checking the web address. Then I put the cursor on Get eCash. Then click on Wallet. I will scroll down until I find the Cashtab tab. I click on the Cashtab tab. I allow Cashtab notifications. I click on New Wallet. I click OK, make me a wallet. My wallet has been created. I will change the name of my wallet. Click OK. I go back to the start. My wallet is personalized, then I go to Settings. I keep my seed phrase. 12 words that I will keep on a piece of paper and will not show anyone. Here I can send Xec or the dollar equivalent. I can also send a message with my transaction. Here is the address of my wallet. In it I can receive Xec or e-token.